You ever feel like AI might take your job? Yeah, we get it. But don't worry, the robots haven't won just yet. In fact, some side hustles are still too human for AI to touch. Welcome back to centSense. Hope you're stacking wins and sidestepping burnout. If you're on the lookout for smart income in an AI world, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 income streams that AI still can't replace. Let's get started. First up, freelance photography and videography. Sure, AI can edit photos in seconds, but it can't capture moments like you can. Think about it. AI won't be showing up at your cousin's wedding to snap the perfect candid. That's something only a human can do. If you have an eye for shots, that camera can earn you serious cash. Next, let's talk about home repair and handyman services. AI isn't crawling under your sink when that faucet breaks at 2 a.m. It can guide you on how to fix it, but it won't show up with a wrench. If you're handy and have basic tools, you can be the neighborhood hero when plumbing disasters happen. When things go wrong, people don't want an app, they want a person. Moving on, personal fitness coaching is still very much a human-driven industry. While AI can explain the perfect push-up, it can't motivate you in the moment. Real coaches bring energy and accountability. They push you when you need it most. This human connection is irreplaceable if you're passionate about health and helping others. Fourth, event planning. AI can lay out a schedule, but it can't handle chaos. Coordinating vendors and calming nervous brides? That takes skill and a personal touch. Event planning is about managing people and emotions, and that's not something AI can replicate. Life's biggest moments still need a human touch. Finally, customize crafts and art. Yes, AI can generate images, but it can't create a unique, handmade necklace or custom-designed sneakers. People want personal, unique pieces made by hand. If you craft, lean in. Your skills are untouchable by machines. So yes, AI is smart and fast, but when it comes to work that demands empathy, creativity, or hands-on skills, it falls short. If your hustle involves human connection, you have something AI can't replicate, today or maybe ever. Which of these hustles would you invest in an AI world? Let us know in the comments below. If you're eager for smart money strategies in the age of AI, hit that like button and subscribe to join the centSense crew. We post new videos every day with real tips to grow your money. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about making money moves AI can't beat, hit that subscribe button and check out our next video right here. Your future self will thank you.